Creating a stylish and inviting home should not require winning the lottery. You can achieve the home of your dreams without emptying your wallet. It's all about being resourceful, exploring different avenues, and embracing a little creativity. Get ready to discover the joy of finding unique pieces that reflect your style and won't break the bank. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the world of affordable interior design. We'll delve into the treasure troves of thrift stores, uncover hidden gems in the vast online marketplace, and master the art of scoring incredible deals. Get ready to transform your living spaces into havens of style and comfort, all while staying well within budget. Remember, creating a beautiful home is not about spending a fortune, but about expressing your unique style and personality. So let's embark on this exciting journey together, where we'll uncover the secrets to achieving chic on a shoestring. Get ready to unleash your inner interior designer and transform your house into a home you'll love. Thrifting for furniture is an adventure, a treasure hunt that often yields incredible finds. Imagine discovering a vintage armchair with good bones, just waiting for a little love to restore it to its former glory, or stumbling upon a one-of-a-kind side table that adds character and charm to your living room. These hidden gems are out there waiting to be discovered and given a new lease on life. Thrift stores are like time capsules filled with furniture from different eras and styles. You can find everything from mid-century modern coffee tables to antique dresses with intricate details. The key is to go in with an open mind and a keen eye. Don't be afraid to look past scratches or faded upholstery. Often, a little TLC can transform a diamond in the rough into a stunning centerpiece. When shopping at thrift stores, be prepared to visit often as inventory changes frequently. Weekdays and mornings tend to be less crowded, giving you more time to browse and inspect potential treasures. Don't be shy about asking for a discount, especially if you're purchasing multiple items. Remember, haggling is part of the fun and can lead to even greater savings. The internet has revolutionized the way we shop, and furniture is no exception. Online platforms offer a dizzying array of options for budget-conscious shoppers. From well-known retailers to specialized sites, the digital world is your oyster for finding stylish pieces. Browse countless options without leaving your couch. Filter searches by style, price, and material to find exactly what you need. Detailed descriptions and reviews provide valuable insights. Be cautious, scrutinize images, and factor in shipping costs. Read the return policy carefully. With savvy research, you can score amazing deals and furnish your home with style. Who doesn't love a good bargain? Snagging furniture at a fraction of its original price is a thrill that can make your heart skip a beat. The good news is that scoring incredible deals on furniture is easier than you might think. It's all about knowing when and where to look and being prepared to act quickly when opportunity knocks. Seasonal sales are a fantastic time to save big on furniture. Retailers often offer significant discounts during holidays like Memorial Day, Labor Day, and Black Friday. Keep an eye out for end-of-season clearance events where you can find even deeper discounts on furniture that stores are looking to move quickly. Another money-saving tip is to check for discounts and clearance sections at your favorite furniture stores. Many retailers have designated areas where they sell slightly damaged or returned items at reduced prices. These pieces might have minor imperfections that don't affect their functionality but make them significantly more affordable. Remember, a little flaw can add character and a unique touch to your decor. Spotting well-crafted furniture. When shopping for budget furniture, discerning quality is crucial. You don't want a bargain that falls apart in months. Look for signs of well-crafted furniture. Start with the frame. Solid wood frames are durable but pricier. Hardwoods like oak, maple, or cherry are best. Avoid softwoods like pine or particle board. Check the joinery for secure joints. Dovetail, mortise, and tenon or dowel joints are ideal. Examine the hardware. Solid metal hardware indicates quality. The upcycling revolution, breathing new life into old pieces. Upcycling furniture is not just a budget-friendly option, it's an opportunity to unleash your creativity and give old pieces a new lease on life. With a little imagination and some basic DIY skills, you can transform discarded furniture into unique and stylish additions to your home. One of the easiest ways to upcycle furniture is by giving it a fresh coat of paint. A bold color can instantly modernize an outdated piece, while a distressed finish can add a touch of vintage charm. Don't be afraid to experiment with different paint techniques, such as stenciling, sponging, or creating a two-tone effect. Another way to breathe new life into old furniture is by changing the hardware. Replacing outdated drawer pulls and knobs with more modern or stylish options can instantly elevate the look of a piece. You can find unique and affordable hardware at thrift stores, flea markets, and online retailers. Consider adding decorative details like trim, molding, or decoupage to personalize your upcycled furniture and make it truly one of a kind. Creative design on a dime, maximizing style with limited funds. Creating a stylish home on a budget is all about being resourceful and thinking outside the box. You don't need to spend a fortune to achieve a cohesive and visually appealing aesthetic. By incorporating some clever design tricks and embracing a DIY spirit, you can maximize style without overspending. One budget-friendly design tip is to create a focal point in each room. This could be a statement piece of furniture, a bold accent wall, or a collection of artwork. A focal point draws the eye and adds visual interest to a space. Use mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger room. Textiles are a cost-effective way to add color, texture, and personality to your home. Invest in affordable throw pillows, blankets, and rugs to instantly refresh a space. Don't underestimate the power of plants. Greenery adds life and vibrancy to any room and can be surprisingly affordable. Visit your local nursery or garden center for a wide selection of indoor plants to suit your style and budget. A home that reflects you. Infusing personality without overspending. Your home should be a reflection of your unique personality and style. Don't be afraid to incorporate items that you love, even if they don't fit into a specific design trend. The most stylish homes are those that tell a story and showcase the interests and passions of the people who live there. One way to infuse personality into your home is by displaying meaningful objects. These could be travel souvenirs, family heirlooms, or simply items that spark joy. Create vignettes on shelves, coffee tables, and mantels to showcase your treasures and add visual interest to your decor. Another way to personalize your space is through artwork. You don't need to spend a fortune on original paintings to create a gallery wall that reflects your taste. Frame affordable prints, posters, or even your own photographs to add a personal touch to your walls. Don't be afraid to mix and match different frame styles and sizes for an eclectic and curated look. Embracing imperfection, the beauty of unique and thrifted finds. In a world of mass-produced furniture, there's something special about owning pieces with a history and a story to tell. Thrifted and vintage furniture often have imperfections, but these imperfections are what give them character and charm. Embrace the beauty of these unique finds and allow them to add personality and soul to your home. Don't be afraid to mix and match different furniture styles. An eclectic mix of vintage and modern pieces can create a visually interesting and inviting space. The key is to find a common thread, such as color, texture, or material, to tie the different elements together. Remember that creating a stylish home is an ongoing process, not a race to the finish line. Take your time, browse different stores and online platforms, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find pieces that you love and that reflect your unique style. With a little patience and creativity, you can create a home that is both stylish and budget-friendly. Conclusion. Crafting a stylish haven without breaking the bank. Creating a stylish and inviting home doesn't have to drain your bank account. By embracing thrifting, online shopping, and a DIY spirit, you can curate a space that reflects your unique personality without overspending. Remember to prioritize quality over quantity, and don't be afraid to invest in timeless pieces that will stand the test of time. As you embark on your budget-friendly decorating journey, keep these tips in mind. Be patient, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Your home should be a reflection of you, a place where you feel comfortable, inspired, and surrounded by things you love. So, go forth and create a space that brings you joy without breaking the bank. Happy decorating!